So on this video, we're going to learn how to convert from fractions to percents. So what's a percent? A percent is basically a number over 100. That's what a percent is. So your first thing you should try to do is to try to change your denominator into 100 by multiplying the top and bottom by the same amount. So we're given 7 over 50 as our first fraction that we want to convert into a percent. Well, if we multiply that by 2 over 2, which is just a fancy form of multiplying it by 1, it equals 14 out of 100. Are we done though? No, because we're still in fraction form. What does 14 over 100 mean though? It means that 14% of whatever has been done or will get done, because 14 out of 100 units have been consumed. Another example would be to look at 19 over 12.5. Well, if we look at this and we try to convert it to 100, looks a little challenging, right? But just start by doing numbers that you think are easy enough to multiply by. Personally, I like 2's because 2's are really easy. So 19 over 25, or 19 over 12.5 times 2 would be, easy way to do this would be to 20 times 2 is 40, take away 2 is 38. 38 over 12.5 times 2, which happens to be 25. And there we go. Now we have a number that we can easily turn into 100. How? By doing the same thing now, but with 4's. So that will equal 38 times 4 over 100, and 38 times 4 would be 152. So now, to get it from a percent, or to get it from a fraction to a percent, we need to say that 152% of whatever has been done.